Interior Alaska, a vast wilderness with hardly any human contact. This includes many different species of wildlife, precious, native, special to Alaska. But as human population grows, conflict can arise. Before it's too late, we want to help. Animal collisions can cause serious damage to both humans and wildlife. Here at the Wildlife Rehabilitation Center of Alaska, we aim to help the wild things. Orphaned animals, injured animals, and wounded animals. We want to help them and give them the opportunity to relive and become one with nature once again. Thank you from all of us at the Wildlife Rehabilitation Center of Alaska. Help us by donating to help the wild animals